Hey everybody, this is Jonathan Gorman from iCreative. We've had a busier summer than usual, and we're super grateful for your support, especially during these strange and difficult times. As you may already know, our repair department is currently on hiatus until October 1st. However, all of our other services are up and running. You're always welcome to come down to see us at iCreative, and we're also still making home and office visits for all Apple consulting and audio-video services. We are wearing masks and sanitizing diligently as we go. In fact, we want to give a big shout out to Rick and his audio video team for integrating smart home technology into many of your homes this summer. If you're interested in audio video elements, feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to show you how you can incorporate hidden speakers, security systems, climate control, entertainment elements, and more. We're relying on our devices now more than ever. As soon as you need a new device, know that our online store is stocked with wonderful inventory at a discounted price. Plus, we can also set up your new device in an efficient manner here in our offices. Unfortunately, the Apple stores have closed again, so our ability to walk into a store and buy Apple products is not possible. But worry not. iCreative has an exclusive relationship with Apple, and we are able to order products and have them sent to us as soon as possible. Of course, COVID has affected the shipping times, but we are happy to say that we can still help you get your new product purchased and set up whenever you need anything. Many folks find themselves with more time on their hands during this unique season. Take the opportunity to learn more with our one-on-one training opportunities, which we can conduct from a video chat remotely. We will also be offering Zoom classes soon, and we're also frantically creating a new library of tutorial videos for you to enjoy in the fall. Thank you, as always, for supporting iCreative, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks again.